Hi, my name is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we want to do a breakdown of our parts washers, how simple they are, how we have different sizes, and how we can help you with your application. So what is parts washing? It's exactly what it sounds like. It's going to be high pressure, heated water that's going to be able to remove carbon, oil, grease. It's going to be able to remove metal shavings, you name it. Definitely a process that will help keep your parts cleaner. This is excellent for prepping the surface for painting, for welding, or for blasting. In any case, your parts need to be clean. So why is your part being clean so important? Because blasting a dirty part is like painting a muddy wall. It wastes your media, it clogs your machine, and it ruins your finish. So using a parts washer, it protects your investment, it helps your system run smoother, longer, and it's more effective. So parts washers use heated water. They also use degreasers, and they use containment tanks. This is to allow a safely process, a thoroughly clean and effective clean. At Vapor Honing Technologies, we offer parts washers in every size. This behind me is the HB 800. It's the Hydroblast 800 cabinet. We offer in the 2000, we offer it in the 3500 size. So regardless of the size of your parts, we've got the solution that's gonna help you. So we also offer automated parts washers in small, medium, and large. Again, this is determined by the size of parts that you need to blast. This is going to give you an ideal high volume process where you can press the button, set the timer, and set it and forget it. So if you are a remanufacturer, if you are building engine parts, if you are in aerospace, these are some of the many industries that a parts washer can benefit. At Vapor Honing Technologies, we believe that surface prep starts with a clean part. That's why we offer many options for parts washers to fit into your application and to be a solution for your needs. So this has been a breakdown of the parts washers that we manufacture, as well as how simple, but also how essential they are in most shops like yours. So if you have sample parts you'd like for us to test, we'd be happy to do that for you. If you have any questions or we can help you with anything, give us a call today. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much for watching.